Have you ever lost something important, like your phone or wallet, and stopped everything just to find it? You know, that is exactly how God feels when one of us goes astray. In today's gospel, Jesus tells us about the shepherd who leaves the 99 to search for one lost sheep. It may sound unreasonable, but that's the heart of God. He never gives up on anyone. Many times we think we are fine and others are the ones who need saving. But in truth, all of us get lost at some point. And the good news is, God keeps searching. He doesn't quit. And when we finally come back to Him, heaven rejoices. That's how much we matter to God. So, if you have wandered away, do not be afraid to return. God's love is patient. His mercy never runs out. And His joy is finding you again. Amen.